Just back at the Runaway Bay job. I've been working with this client for quite a few years. Some people refer to him as the godfather of the steel frame industry. And we've just tried something a little bit different on this one. So this is using full concrete block work, split face. It's a full veneer, and you can see it actually looks quite good. Adds quite a bit of expense to the project, but this is actually going to be an office. So it's an office building, 2-storey. They've had to build it up off the ground because it is in a flood zone. So they use Securafloor, the James Hardy Securafloor there. And then you can see it's all elevated, nice high ceilings. Being block work on the external walls, the windows actually get supplied and installed. So it's our usual supplier, but they come out and actually install these into the block work. We've also tried a different system with the mid-floor, called Super Span. So it's got all the service holes already cut in it. So instead of using the web joist for the mid-floor, it's basically a big C-section with the receiver channels and all the cleats already cut in. Here's some more doors here. And it's just ready for the roof. So they've got the floor, the frames installed on the upper level. And the roof will be going on probably in about a week's time.